Oh, good morning, guys. Oh, I couldn't resist it. It's been ages since I've seen it like this. I mean, it's really windy. I'm down by Toowoomba, down by Begafigo Sailing Club, and as you can see, I haven't seen the sea like this for ages. It's a really windy morning, really windy day, and I just thought I'd show you what it's like when it's windy. Check that out. Amazing. Bandit's not sure what's going on because he hasn't seen it like this for a little while. Don't you go in now. And I've got my friend Goldie I met her yesterday. This Begafigo Sailing Club. I met Goldie yesterday as we were walking, and just coincidentally we bumped into each other again today. He's on holiday. Come and walk the dog with me. And check that out. Unbelievable. From yesterday, calm as anything, to today, windy as anything.